While playing a board game, even though it was Calm Ninja's turn, I grabbed the dice and knocked over the entire game. I felt bad, but I was so excited and couldn't wait.
Better at being patient.
Well, it's a secret, and if you lean in real close, I'll tell you. Think of patience as a muscle you can strengthen with practice. To make our patience muscle strong, we can build it by practicing 3 T's. Think about what's important.
Tell yourself good things come to those who wait. Take some deep breaths. We can think about what is important by asking ourselves a few questions. What will happen if I do this? If I do this, who will it affect? Will I get the same result if I rush? We can practice patience by taking deep breaths. If we can wait, we'll be rewarded at the end, so it helps to tell ourselves good things come to those who wait. Say it with me. Good things come to those